Hi, it's Tiffany Johannes with Remax Executive and Charlotte Home Experts. Today I'm here to talk to you about what's the difference between getting pre-approved and just having a pre-qualification. Well, there's a lot of differences. If you have a pre-qualification, that means you probably went to the lender, you gave them a few details about your lifestyle, about your employment, about how much you make, and they gave you a pre-qualification based on that information and checking your credit score. Now, just like anything else, I don't think you would probably lend money just on those brief details that you shared with your lender. And so oftentimes that pre-qualification does not mean a whole lot to your seller or to the agents in the transaction because they haven't really opened the true book of what your finances look like and gotten pre-approved. Now, pre-approved is the real deal. And I'll say this, when you get pre-approved, you're probably going to feel like you gave your firstborn over, but it makes a huge difference and you should not go under contract or do anything unless you've fully given that pre-approval and they've gone deep in your finances. Just because you make X dollar amount doesn't mean that's what you report to the IRS. And the lender needs to look at that, any other debts you have. They need to look at anything else that might attach to your social security number. They really do a deep dive in everything you've got going on to make sure that they can truly lend you money. It's not just as easy as a rubber stamp. And it's an important component of the process. And that's why you'll hear your agent and everyone who's advising you saying, go ahead and get fully pre approved up front because we do not want to lose money on your behalf with the due diligence fee or to get through a portion of a transaction and you've spent money and you can't buy the house. The other huge component is we certainly don't want to be showing you a house that's $500,000 if truly what the bank can lend is in the 350,000 range because you'll never be happy once we start showing you the higher end homes. So please don't take us as a pest or someone who is saying you have to do this and it doesn't make sense to just look at some houses because we have your best interest at heart and getting that pre-approval is an important first step in being a homeowner or moving up in the homeowner chain. Thank you so much. And if you have questions regarding pre-approvals, reach out to me because there's so many different products out there that I can share with you and your lender to make sure that you have the right balance and that we are all working towards the same goal of homeownership for you. I'm Tiffany Johannes with Remax Executive. I appreciate your time today.